Hello, welcome everyone. Today in this video we're going to be talking about velocity versus speed. So the difference between velocity and speed. Now before we start talking about velocity and speed on the side, I would just like to make a note about our previous video where I forgot to mention that displacement is a vector and distance is a scalar. Now if you don't recognize those two words, I suggest you go back to our initial videos because I define what each thing is there and how to work with them. So now going back with velocity and speed. So now most of the time you're going to be finding average velocity for non-calculus physics. So let's focus on that. So average velocity, or V average, by definition is the displacement over time elapsed. And that just means the time between final and initial position. And this can also be written as x final or y final, depending on what axis you're working, minus x initial over t final minus t initial. Now some textbooks do it x minus x naught, t minus t naught. Just know that they're all the same. It's just the notation that varies. And the symbol for V average most of the time is going to be V with a line on top, which signifies the average. Now, average speed, and let me change colors here. Going to go with spring. Now, average speed. Average speed by definition is the distance traveled over time elapsed. And again, distance is just it's a scalar, and if you would like to go back where I in the previous video where I defined what distance is, pause the video and select the distance versus displacement video.